Hello everyone, this is Mr. Azeez Math. In this video we are going to talk about normal distribution and how to use the normal distribution table, how to calculate the value of Z, which is the standard normal, and more. I want to start with question 1a. Z probability of Z less than 0.567. This probability of Z less than 0.567 is equal to phi of 0.567. This phi means go to table, search for this number 0.567. This is the table, the normal table. So I'm going to see the value of Z. This is Z. 0.5 is here. 0.5. So I'm going to check this row. 0.5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had 0.567, so far I covered 0.56, and the 7 is in the add part. 7 is here in this row. 7 is this 24. So I'm going to add this 24 to the last 3 digits of this decimal number. So 123 plus 24, it will be 741, 147, and I had this 0.7 here. 0.7 goes there. So this is the probability. The answer of phi of 0.567 is 0.7147. 0.7147. Now if we look at these four, there's negative, greater than, equal to. I'll take these four to the notebook, to OneNote. There we go. Okay. The first one, we have Z greater than negative. Greater than negative is okay. So I go to phi of the positive of this number, 1.53. Because in the normal table, in the normal distribution table, there is no negative value for Z. There is no such thing. So this phi is like passport. When you write phi means after this, go to table, search for 1.53. Let's do it. The table is here. 1.53, this is 1. So we look at this row. 1.5, 0.5 is here. This is 0.5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1.5. And after 0.5, I had 3. Then 3 is in the add part. 1, 2, 3. This 7. This 7 should be added to the last 3 digits. 531 plus 7 is 538. So the answer is 0.8538. 0.8538. If we look at D, probability of Z greater than equal to negative 0.077. Greater than negative is okay. For normal distribution, it doesn't matter if there is equal or if there is no equal. In both cases, we just have to go to the table. Then Z greater than negative is okay. We directly go to phi of 0.077. Then you go to the table. 0.0 is here. 0.07. The fourth 7 cannot be covered because this table can cover up to 3 decimal places. Then the answer is 28 added to 0.5, so the answer is 0.5028. 0.5028. Or this number could be rounded. It means we are dealing with 0.08, then 0.08 in the table could have this answer, 0.008. The answer is 0.5032. Another case is when we have z less than a negative number. Less than negative is not okay. More than positive is not okay. In both cases, we need 1 minus. We need to reverse the case. Probability of z less than negative 1.75. Look, z is less than a negative number. This is not okay for the table, because in the normal table we can find the value of z when it's less than a positive number or when it's more than a negative number. But here we cannot do this. What we do, we reverse. This probability is the same as the probability of 1 minus probability z greater than or equal to negative 1.75. Look, I only reversed the inequality sign. Now z is greater than negative. Z being greater than negative is okay. We can just go with 1 minus, this probability part will be phi of 1.75. And when you see phi, means go to table. Your calculation finished. 1.75 is in the row of 1, so we're gonna look at this row. 1.7 is here. 1.7, 5. 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here. This 12. Then 12 gonna be added to 577. 577 plus 12, this will be 985. So 589. The answer is 0.8589. 1 minus 0.8589. Then we do the subtraction. This will be the probability. 1 minus 0.8589. The answer is 0.1411. 0.1411. This is the probability of z being less than 1.75. And finally, h. H has the same idea as g. It has the same idea as g. So I'm not gonna do it. Instead, I'm gonna do probability of z greater than 0.23. 1.23. Okay, greater than positive is not okay as well. We cannot do this directly. We need 1 minus. This probability is equal to 1 minus probability z less than equal to 1.23. Then z less than positive is okay. So I'm going to write phi of 1.23. When I write phi means go to table, search for 1.23. Table is here. 1.2 is here. Erase this. Now we had 1.23. Now, I have the 1.2, the 3, which is the third number, is this 7. This 7 gonna be added to 461. 461 plus 7 is 468. Then the answer is 0.8468. This is 1 minus 0.8468. Now do the subtraction. 1 minus 8468 is equal to 0.1532. This 0.1532 is the answer of this probability. Comment below whatever question you have about normal distribution. I hope this tutorial can help you. Thank you for watching.